How to add send message button to Facebook post. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now switch to your page. Now tap on create post. Now write anything. Now tap on photo. Now select any photo and tap on three dots. Now click on get messages and tap on next. Now tap on post. Now wait for some time. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.